30 minutes from Harvey Bay, we are staying at the Sunlodge Oceanfront Park for $42 a night, which is of course dog friendly. All the sites have colourful en-suites complete with a toilet and shower. Highly recommend a visit here. Walked from the caravan park at Harvey Bay and we're just seeing the first part of the coast since we started our trip. Look how beautiful it is. Gus, come! Come on! Good boy, good boy! Lining up to catch the ferry to Fraser Island, Jeff is letting the tyres down in preparation. The weather isn't looking so great, but hopefully it will come out nice. Angus is spending the day with a pet sitter at the caravan park. Oh. We're on the ferry. It's very exciting. It's costing us $200 to go on this ferry and another $50 to be on the island.
Fair way out.
Yeah. Jerem said it's going to take them a fair while to get that truck off.
Tropical looking.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
Just don't know if we're going the right way.
Well, I thought you were checking your map. Should we have gone up that other track?
Well, it's still going down the fucking Danny.
Okay. Right into the sand straight away. Holy dooly.
They've got the maps here.
And it's starting to spit. One's coming.
Oh, now what do we're going to drive off into the side.
Well, he's on the side to drive up. Decided we better pull over and let the tyres down to, about 18.
Yeah, I want to go a bit more. I've got a bit of weight in the back of this.
How much more are you going to?
A little bit less,
22 instead, and we've got a bit of weight on the back. See how we go. We just went down this really cool sandy track. Here we are on Fraser Island.
We are at a freshwater lake on Fraser Island. Crystal clear water.
The rainforests here on Fraser Island are stunning with such beautiful tall ferns and ancient trees. It's an absolutely amazing sight to see. We ended up stopping the car, as you can see, and just hopping out and gazing around. And you just have to look up towards the sky and just see how high and tall everything grows. Absolutely amazing and worth coming to see. It's a kauri pine. Look at this. How tall it is. Massive tree. Now we're on the beach doing a bit of beach driving. We think this is the way you go. Looks like it.
Oh, no.
I know, that's what I was just looking at.
It didn't say this is the way to go, like wherever. It's just...
Well, have a look on your map. Woohoo! We are driving along 75 Mile Beach on Fraser Island. It is so cool. But you would need to stay here for days to be able to see everything. So if you can, come and stay for a few days instead of just a day trip like us. But we're still having fun. Well, we have had a great day on Fraser Island, and now we're back at the Kingfisher Bay Resort Jetty, and I'm thinking about having a drink at their sunset bar. We are at the end of our tour at the sunset bar. How cool is it? Nice street to sit down here by the water.
Here comes the bar.
Doesn't it look pretty over there? I almost thought about going for a walk, but I was too excited by the seats instead. Our barge is on its way over. You can see it in the distance. Oh my gosh, they have these cool little beanbags down the beach as well. So I am lying in one and there's another one behind me. How cute are they? We go back onto the ferry. The end of our day out at Fraser Island. We really needed more time. Didn't have much time to smell the roses, but it was still a great day. I recommend if you come here, come and stay out 1 or 2 nights. Stay overnight so you can see stuff, more stuff. Alright, this is why we're driving on.